ceiling fan is dripping water. All because of last week's winter storm. Sorry about that. That's the AC and heater going on. But what happened was, last week when we had that bad winter storm, apparently it caused a pipe burst at someone's apartment, and this is what happened. It's basically what Texas had back in February 2021. And yeah, this ceiling fan is in Michigan, though. That I will tell you. But I just can't tell you the city. So that's that. I did post a post about this too. It was pretty deadly. So yep. Hope everyone is staying safe after last week's winter storm. It was pretty bad. It snowed a lot and everything. It was pretty bad. So yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching.